When you get started using the HiringOpps job board platform, you likely would have chosen one of two website templates out of the box to get started. So what you're looking at here is one of those website templates. And during the onboarding process, the HiringOpps team would have loaded your brand color, your image back here, your logo for you. But at any time, if you want to change any of the content on any of the pages, you can do so. You can also move some of the items around, like these, like the featured jobs here, the site statistics here. Those are all what we call widgets or short codes. So what we're going to take a look at first is how to edit some of the content on the various pages throughout your platform. So you'll see that the platform does come standard with this homepage content and a few other pages that do have quite a bit of content on them. And so while we do bake that into the platform, we do recommend you jump in and optimize those pages with your unique keywords and phrases for your specific industry and niche to really improve the chances of showing up in search results for unique content. So again, candidates page, employers page, those two pages also have quite a bit of content on them. And so when you want to edit out any of the content on the pages, what you'll do is go to the back end of your job board platform. And first you'll click down on content management on the left. And then you'll come to pages. And so you'll see a list of all of the pages that are included in the job board platform. So you can sort through them, take a look at which ones you want to edit. What we're going to take a look at here is just the home page right now. So you're going to select that and filter it. So you'll see this is the home page right here. And what we're going to do, we're going to come over here and click edit. And what you'll see is the built-in content management system, or CMS. So when you come to a page, you can edit various features on the page. You can change the title of it, change the description, add meta keywords, meta descriptions. Those are helpful for search results, showing up in search results. You can add tracking code if you want to add a specific line of code to an individual page. You can copy and paste that here. And then when you come into the content editor, you'll see what's already built in there. But again, if you come in here and you want to change any of that, you can type right in here and it'll start to populate. These are those widgets we were talking about where if you don't want site statistics to show up, if you don't want featured jobs there, you can just delete them. Or what you can do is open this, or highlight this, I should say, Control C to copy. Maybe I want to move it down here on the page, Control V to paste, and it'll be moved down the page. So you can edit right in the box. If you or someone on your team is familiar with HTML or CSS, you can view the source code. And this gives you a little bit more flexibility in changing the look and the feel of different elements on the page outside of changing the functionality. If there are functional changes you need, new features, the HiringOpps development team would have to come in and kind of outline what you need and provide a quote for that. But if you're just editing content on the page, you can do that directly from here. So once you make your changes, you can just come down here and click submit. You can also preview the page. So if you make any changes, you just want to take a look. When you want to change the images of a page, there's an additional step you have to take. So what we're going to do is we're going to show you where you have to click over here to media, because what you're going to be doing is you have to add the image to your job board before you can add it to a page. So what you're doing is you're basically adding the image to your image library within the platform. So you can go ahead and add media, and it'll just prompt you to find the file on your computer. You can name it whatever you want. And to keep in mind some of the sizes that you do want to use. So the main header images on any of the main pages, you're going to want to keep those around 2550 by 600 pixels and under 500 kilobytes. So if you have any questions about that, again, reach out to the HiringOpps team. They can help you through that. Otherwise, that's the best ideal size. So once you add the image in here, and we recommend if you're adding images for different pages, maybe just name them the page so you can easily reference them. So once it's added, you're going to right click on the image and you're going to select copy link location. So once you copy the link location, you're going to click back over here on pages, come back to the home page and click edit. And then what you'll do is to add that image to the page, you're going to click the source code icon. You're going to scroll up to the top and you'll see this right here is the link location. So what you're basically going to be doing now that you copied that from the other page, you're going to highlight that here and you're going to click Control V and it'll replace it right here. So that's going to show it for the desktop. And then you'll also see the same one right here that you'll want to replace and click again Control V and it'll paste it right there. And then you're going to click Save. And you'll see that the image has changed on the platform. So again, you can preview it. You can also just click, submit and it'll go ahead and save that. And then once you save it, you're going to just come back to the home page. And we'll go ahead and take a look at what it looks like. So you'll see that image is now replaced. So that is editing any of the content, adding images to the pages. So that's the main section where you're going to live if you want to change any of the page content under that content management section.